How to work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. So by breakpoints, we actually mean the breakpoints that we have for our desktop as well as tablet and also mobile. So we have in here this breakpoints. You can just click onto this three dots right here in order to see the breakpoints available. So for the primary, we have the 1001 pixels and up. For the tablet, we have 751 to 1000. And for the mobile, we have this 320 to 750 pixels. So for this one, if you want to add a new breakpoint, just click onto this add breakpoint option and then just input right here the pixel that you want to have for that. Now, if you want to edit an existing breakpoint, you can click onto this edit icon. And if you want to delete it, click onto this trash can icon. So when you click on a particular breakpoint, like for example, let's switch to the mobile breakpoint, it will show you the interface of your website into that particular view. So let's head over and then switch to that particular breakpoint right here. And as you can see, this is what my website looks like on the mobile. So it's not yet optimized, so you can head over and edit it according to your liking based on this web point. So do take note that the changes applied to this one will actually not affect the desktop one because they have different interfaces. So that's how you work with breakpoints in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.